What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Men's Mastermind Group, where we teach you the skills to be the master behind your own madness. So when you're first starting out with a YouTube channel, it's not so much that you have to have the best equipment right off the bat. The most important thing to do is to just get started. Making content will help you get better at making content. And the biggest thing is consistently doing it to where you can build a community following behind you. So that way, in the long run, you're getting the most bang for your buck. You're making an impact and spreading the message that you want to spread. It's going to be really frustrating if you do it inconsistently and nobody's really watching, and you're making these videos, you're editing, you're putting all this time into it. Even if you invest in the right equipment, if you don't do it consistently and nobody's watching it, it's going to be really frustrating in the long run. And you want to make it as easy as possible. So the more you do it, the better you'll get. It's like Rome wasn't built overnight. You got to take baby steps and you got to start to walk before you can run. But that's how it is. It's like a snowball effect. The more and more you do it, the better you'll get at it. And, the more following you'll get. And next thing you know, you're running at warp speed, and it's an automated process that's systematic, and you upload, bam, 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 and it's just easier as you get going. But in the beginning, it can be really overwhelming, and it can be like, it'll make your head spin, especially if you focus on, getting all the right equipment and doing it all at once.